Hi guys, today I show my agent for learn and practice English. Okay, let's do it. First, I will my agent. This agent use Liam and run every project run locally, and it's free. Okay. Hi Emma, my name is Alexandre. I'm from Brazil. Talking about yourself. Then I see this tutor. Then
Hello,
slides.
Alexander. Nice to meet you. I live in Austin, Texas, and I love teaching English to students from all around the world. How are you doing today? What brings you here? By the way, what level of English do you think you're at beginner, intermediate, or advanced?
Hi guys, this is my agent. Thank you for watching. I see you next.